Hello, our digital world and news. For a long time, connecting was all about being face to face. People used to hang out person, families would eat dinner together. Things were different, but then the internet and phones changed everything. I've seen this happen and it's really affect how young people feel, especially their means. Why it is important today? Well, now we're always connect online, but sometimes we feel more alone than ever. Before, if you were feeling down, you will usually go to out and find friends. Now, it's easy to get stuck scrolling. This matters because a lot of young people are feeling more stressed and sad. How does it affect your towns? We're seeing kids who are great online but struggles with real life friendships. Think back, how were things before? Kids used to play outside alone. They didn't have phones showing them what everyone else was doing. You just played with your friends nearby. If you wanted to see someone, you had to go knock on their door. Life was a bit slower, maybe simpler. How are things now? Our phones are always buzzing. Social media was made to keep us hooked. Young people are sleeping hours online and it messes with their sleep and how they feel about themselves. How was life changed? Many are trying to look perfect online, and anxiety, cyberbullying has become a real problem. Like many teens have dealt with it. Okay, it's not all bad. If we use Tech Smart, it can be a someone. If you need info, it's right there. If your family is far, you can see them on a call. Tech has opened up so many cool things, we should remember that. But there are big downsides. We should be careful about feeling like we must be perfect online. Kids have to learn how to be safe online. If we don't will help with mental health, things will get harder. We must teach good digital habits and would like to see use connect more in person too. Digital life is here to stay. We are going to use tech more and more, but we will need to be smart about it. We must learn to use it well and avoid the bad parts. I would like young people to feel good about themselves, both online and off. It is going to take effort from everyone, but it's worth it for better future. Thank you.